So guess what? It's time to start on the H55 build, and the rebuild kit should be here in about an hour. So we're gonna start going through this thing. I've never done a transmission rebuild. I'm scared as hell, but I guess it all starts here, right? Taking it slow, cleaning up everything. I've done all the major jobs on a 60 before, but nothing this intense. This is my gasket kit for the 5-speed. Oh yeah, thanks George. Valley Hybrids. Let's get this rebuild on the way. Let's. Thanks George, Valley Hybrids. In addition to the rebuild kit, I also got a 5th gear synchro. Just figured that when I bought this transmission, I was told that it keeps popping out of 5th gear. So I have a brand new 5th gear as well as now the synchro. As we dig into the build a little more, we'll be able to kind of take a look at all the components all together. But I know I definitely wanted to switch this one out. She's off. Nice. All right, I freaking caved. I could not make a good enough puller to pull those bearings off the H55. So I went to a place that's local at this guy's house. It's a machine shop, and I'm having them pull them. They said they'd be ready in the morning. All right, so I got all the bearings pulled. It cost me about $60. At the Classic Motors machine shop here in Leesburg. So I'm ready to start my rebuild. Clean everything up, paint her up, get this H55 and 87 soon. If you're ever out in Leesburg, Virginia and need a machine shop, Evan at Classic Motors is a total badass. His shop's been in various locations within the area since the 60s, and it's kind of a family-owned business. So we just spent a lot of time talking. He's a Jeep guy, so same familiarity as a Land Cruiser and same family, I suppose. But super cool place. Check it out if you're ever out in Leesburg. So just cleaned everything off on the H55, gave her a good fresh coat of black paint along with a couple of the other parts. Working on the 5th gear housing, painting that up, and moving right along the project. Maybe tomorrow I'll start actually rebuilding things instead of taking them apart.